Hey guys, for this video, I'm gonna be teaching you how to turn off safe search on iPhone. With this tutorial, you're finally gonna be able to search freely. Let's start by opening settings. As you can see in the middle of the screen, it says screen time. Tap on that, and then go to content and privacy restrictions. I'm gonna open it just so you can see what I'm gonna do. And then go to content restrictions, and then web content. Make sure that it has unrestricted, because if it's not unrestricted, then it's gonna limit your websites. Now go back and then go to web search content and then tap on allow, because if it's not on allow, you're not gonna be able to search for anything. So it's simple as that. If you think this video was helpful, please consider liking, subscribing, and hitting the notification bell. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down below.